Hey guys, we're going to do some long division today. These problems that I'm going to do today are not going to have any remainders. If you are looking for problems with remainders, I'll link a playlist in the corner for you. This problem right here, we've got 2,688 divided by 7, and we want to solve this using long division. When we do long division, the first number goes inside of my division box. So we're going to draw our division box and put 2,688 right there. Our second number, the number it's being divided by, goes on the outside. So remember, what I'm really asking myself here is how many times does 7 go into 2,688? Well, I don't know that off the top of my head, so I'm going to use long division. So the first thing I do is I'm going to look at this number just basically a piece at a time. So first I'm going to ask myself, how many times does 7 go into 2? Well, it doesn't, right? So I'm going to scoot over one more and ask myself, how many times does 7 go into 26? Well, I know 7 times 3 is 21. So 3 times 7 gives me 21. I go ahead and write that number underneath. And then I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 1 gives me 5. And 2 minus 2 is 0, so I don't really need to worry about that. The next thing I'm going to do is bring the next number down. I like to draw an arrow. You don't have to, but that just helps my brain. I'm going to bring that down, so this down here becomes a 58. Next question I ask myself is, how many times does 7 go into 58? Well, I know that 7 times 8 is 56, and that's as close as I'm going to get. So I'm going to write an 8 up here. I'm making sure to write it over the number that I brought down. You see here when I was looking at how many times it went into 26, I wrote the 3 above the 6. So I'm going to write that 8 here. 8 times 7 gives me 56. And then I'm going to subtract and get 2. Next thing I'm going to do is bring this last number down. So I have 28. I asked myself, how many times does 7 go into 28? Well, it goes 4 times. 4 times 7 gives me 28. I'm going to subtract, and I end up with 0. Dun, 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 dun. So that's what I meant at the beginning when I said we're not going to have a remainder, because I don't have any more numbers to bring down, and I have a 0 here. Again, if you are left with no more numbers to bring down and your number's not 0, check out that playlist I linked, because it will show you what to do in that situation. But here we are done. So I know that 2,688 divided by 7 is 384. Now, fun fact, we could check ourselves by multiplying 384 by 7 and making sure we get 2,688. So I'm going to do that really quickly right here. All right, there we go. I almost said go and good at the same time. There we go. So when I multiplied those, I did get 2,688. So I'm feeling pretty darn confident that I divided that correctly. Let's do it one more time over here. I should mention, while I'm getting my next marker, that if you don't love this strategy, there is also partial quotients that some people really like, and I will link a video for that in the corner if you want to check out that strategy. All right, we are dividing 9 into 6,372. So I am going to write the first number inside of the box. So 6,372. The 9, the number I'm dividing in, goes on the outside. All right, I'm going to start with this, but 9 doesn't go into 6. I could put 0 here, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to scoot over and ask myself, how many times does 9 go into 63? Well, I happen to know, that 7 times 9 is 63. Notice that I wrote the 7 over the 3. So 7 times 9 is 63. I'm going to subtract and end up with 0. Nice. I'm going to bring this 7 down. All right. So now I ask myself, how many times does 9 go into 7? Well, it doesn't, right? Now you might be tempted to be like, okay, well, let's just bring down the 2. But in this case, because the 0 is in the middle of the number, I do need to write it. So 9 goes into 7 0 times. All right. 0 times 9 is 0. And when I subtract that, I get 7. Now I can bring down that 2. So I can't just bring them down both in a row. But once I put that 0, subtract it, I can now bring that 2 down. All right. Now, how many times does 9 go into 72? Well, it goes 8 times, and 8 times 9 is 72. And when I subtract that, I get 0. So 6,372 divided by 9 gave me 708. Awesome. Okay, I'm just going to check it really fast. I'm going to do 9 times 708 and make sure that I get 6,372. All right, there we go. I did get 6,372, so I'm feeling pretty confident that I did that correctly. All right, I hope this helped. If you need to check out any of those videos I linked, go for it, and see you later.